how to set up the Wi-Fi for your HP printer. So on the touchscreen device, go ahead and click on the Wi-Fi icon, which is right here. And then you can go ahead and click this icon, which is the settings. And then let's select wireless setup guide. Let's go here. Now it will search for the Wi-Fi that you currently have at your house or your home. Mine is at the top here. Let's go ahead and click on this one. Then all you have to do is go ahead and enter in the password. And once you have that all entered, go ahead and click on OK. Wait for it to connect. It'll probably take about 20 seconds or so. And then, just like that, you're all connected. If you want, you can go ahead and print out a test page here with all your network settings, but you don't have to. And that is how you connect your HP printer right here, the OfficeJet 3836, to your Wi-Fi.